Hello guys, it's your girl Ham and welcome back to my channel for another episode of our series Breaking Bread, where I share the recipes that I love to cook for my family and friends with you all. So on today's menu, we have another sandwich, and this particular item, it grew on me over time. So as a child and even a teenager, I wasn't a big fan of seafood, but moving to the DMV area, I definitely grew an appreciation for crabs. So you heard that right. Today's item is going to be crab cakes, guys. And we're going to be using the Phillips brand crab cake. And I know we're not cracking the crabs ourselves and making the lumps, guys, but this brand of crab cakes is so delicious and great value and quality. Also, I think it's the best that I've tried, and we've tried quite a bit. So if you're interested in seeing how the sandwich pans out and why we love it so much, let's get started. So first things first, the thing that we always do, we work with our fruits and vegetables, or I guess mostly our vegetables, because I haven't done desserts yet on this channel. Even though fruits could go on regular food, but it's mostly in desserts. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and slice some onions for our crab cake sandwiches. I think that's enough for about 2 sandwiches. That's how many I'm gonna make. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and split it in the middle like that. And then go ahead and cut some slices of tomatoes. And my tomato choice, my preference is the tomato on the vine. I think it has a slightly more earthy taste. Something about it just tastes a little bit more natural, and I enjoy it. So we're gonna do that, and then we're moving on to our crab cakes, guys. And we're using the Phillips brand, as I said in the intro, but I love this brand. I don't think there's anything else like it. It is so good. It tastes like crab. It's authentic crab lumps, clumps, whatever. But I pretty much take 2 patties, I smush them together like so. And I like my things a little, stacked, hearty. And it has herbs. You can see the herbs in it. You can see the lumps of crab in it. It's just really good quality, and it's pretty authentic. Like, Phillips brand is really good for the crab cakes, and also their blackened seasoning. Those are 2 things that I love from that company. But here we go. I just finished the other patty, and we're gonna go ahead and season. And I know a lot of people use, Old Bay, but I'm going in with the Creole seasoning. I want the Cajun flavor. That's how I like my Krabby Patties. You guys can season how you like. Old Bay is definitely a big hitter up here in the DMV, but hey. Okay, well, anywho, to our hot skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil to fry. And I'm just gonna flip the patties over on the side where they're seasoning. That way we can season the other side when we're getting ready to flip. But just going in with a little bit of that slap your mama, that little Cajun seasoning. And guys, just go ahead and flip it, cook it until it is crisp. And then we can go ahead and assemble our sandwich. I'm using these brioche buns from Whole Foods. I love Whole Foods. Their ingredients are so fresh and really good quality, so don't hate. Just try it out. You might like it. Also, this Remoulade sauce from Whole Foods. Now, we have tried a bunch. When I mean a bunch, I mean like at least 7 or 8 different Remoulade sauces, and we stopped at this one, okay? Since we've had this, we have not gone back and tried anything else. I'm telling you guys, you have to try it, okay? Don't sleep on it. Also, did I mention Whole Foods fine? And then we're gonna go in. I'm going to pick out the green lettuce that has like a crisp to it. I like a little crunch in my sandwich, a little freshness. And I think that's about right. I think this is good. One more piece. There we go. Now we're adding in our crab cake. Look at that, crisp and golden. Oh, and our toppings. I like tomatoes. I like onions. Sometimes I like pickles. Sometimes I don't. We didn't have the circle pickles. We had the slices. So this is it, guys. This is our Krabby Patty, okay? Mr. Krabs will definitely make a lot of money off of this. And SpongeBob, ooh, he will be so proud. I hope you guys enjoy it, but let's break bread.